Good morning and a very happy Wednesday to you. I hope you had a wonderful first 2 days of the work week, and we're now smack dab in the middle, and we have another gorgeous summer day ahead. Now, we are starting off this morning with mild temperatures. Most spots are in the 60s right now. 60 in Blue Ridge, 63 for Cleveland, Athens, also into Dayton, 68 in Chattanooga. A couple of spots a little bit cooler in the 50s with no wind at this time. Generally, we're going to have a northerly breeze today at about 5 to 8 miles per hour. So as we look ahead to 7 a.m., sunny skies, 67 degrees, 70 by 8 o'clock. Once more today, plentiful sunshine, just a few clouds here and there, particularly for the afternoon into the evening hours as temperatures warm up. Now today will be a few degrees warmer than yesterday, so hitting 85 at noon, 90 at 3 o'clock, 92 at 5 p.m. Generally highs today upper 80s to low 90s across the area. I did want to let you know that you may notice a little bit of a haziness to the sky today due to some wildfire smoke once again. So the air quality index forecast is going to be in the moderate category. That AQI kind of smack dab in the middle of the moderate category, 67 for that AQI. Now, moderate is still considered acceptable as far as that breathing goes. It's only a problem if you're unusually sensitive. Now, the one kind of addendum to that is up in the higher elevations. I showed this at the top of the newscast at 5 a.m., but in case you're just now waking up and turning on your TV, there is an air quality alert, a code orange air quality alert for Cherokee County, specifically for elevations over 4,000 feet. So this is the particulate matter from wildfires kind of aloft. So if you're up on those mountaintops, breathing it in a little bit. So that's going to be unhealthy for sensitive groups. So you want to limit that outdoor exertion up in those mountaintops. And again, that's going to run all day long into tonight, not kind of ending until midnight tonight. As far as anything outside of that, we have a really quiet start to the day. There could be a little bit of patchy fog and mist this morning, especially for our eastern communities. But for most of the area, quiet conditions. We have clear skies. Your morning commute is not going to have any kind of weather issues. And you can really see that there's not a lot going on near to the west of us. This storm complex that's much further to the west of us isn't really going to impact our weather today as it fades out. So when we look at your Wednesday, generally mostly sunny skies, especially in the morning time, getting a few additional clouds moving our way for the afternoon. But that's it. No rain chances today. Now tomorrow things change a little bit. So we start to see that rise in both the air temperature, heat, but also the humidity as that wind returns out of the south. A couple of isolated showers or storms possible here and there for your Thursday, but it's also going to be more about that heat and humidity. So we start that string of days where you had those potential of triple-digit heat index values. So even a couple isolated showers possible Thursday night. As we look ahead to Friday, more of the same. So that mix of sun and clouds, a few widely scattered showers here and there on Friday that can provide some relief from the heat. Otherwise, sweltering on Friday. That max heat index looking like now it's going to top out at about 108 on Friday. And then on Saturday, yes, we're repeating it again. The heat and humidity still in place. A high of 97 degrees on Saturday with a few widely scattered showers and storms possible. So total rainfall for the next 5 days, it's not going to be a lot, a quarter of an inch to an inch with some of these scattered showers and storms. It'll be more about the heat for the end of the weekend into the weekend. So for today, kind of our last normal summer day, it's hot, sunshine, you have a little bit of that hazy sky. 92 for your high today in Chattanooga, Scottsboro, Dayton, Cleveland topping out at 90, 91 for Dalton and in Fort Payne. And then tonight, mostly clear, quiet night, 60s once more for those low temperatures. But notice in the 7-day forecast how those lows then start to be in the 70s. That's an indicator of having that very muggy air in place. So when you step outside in the morning, it's going to feel soupy outside, and then that mugginess stays with us throughout the day, and that's what fuels that really bad heat index with the peak heating in the afternoon. So certainly, especially Friday and Saturday with those highs of 97 degrees.
Yeah, and that heat, that humidity, it can be really dangerous.
Right, and that's really the factor that, the 97 doesn't seem like that's really quite that bad, but it's going to be so muggy outside. That's why you talk about that heat index feeling like 108 on Friday.